Mama kisses, okay? Say good morning, one. Say good morning.
Mama, I feel so dry.
Hello, Blender! Good morning! So, back to reality, magtrabaho tayo at isasama natin si Arya Maisie. Pero, bago yan, inom na tayo ng kape. Meron tayong pang sumiklinan take away at meron din tayong kape na dito i-eat. And Arya got some, what is this? It's ayan ba? Balik work na po ako. Meron tayong bagong trabaho ngayon. At alam niyo ba, ang dami-dami ng aso. Makikita niyo mamaya kung allowed ba ako mag-video. I'm not sure, pero I will try to take a video. Exciting yung work ko kasi yung ano lang ba siya. Yeah. Maganda yung trabaho ko kasi I have flexible time for my daughter. Kaya ito yung trabaho na kinukuha ko. Kasi yung time is from, it's like an office time. Hindi naman ako office girl. Parang ang oras niya kasi is, ang oras niya ay office time. Hindi naman ako office girl. So wala naman akong pinag-aralan sa opisina. Kasi from 9 to 16 man. Or 4. Ang pwede ko lang matrabaho niyan is sa office or sa kindergarten. Mga ganun. Kaya tinanggap ko yung trabaho dito kasi perfect sa oras. Kapag mag-kindergarten si Arya, pwede akong pumasok. Hi! Ayan. Dito na ako sa bahay ng aking amo. Teka lang, isarado ko muna yung pintuan. So, ayan, nag-start na ako. Ito na yung pangalawang kwarto. Ito ang kwarto ng kanilang mga aso. Kwarto lang ng mga aso to. Ayan o. Ang kwarto ng aso nila. Ayan, meron bahay yan ng mga aso dyan. Ang iba hindi pa na-install. Pero kwarto lang to ng mga aso. Parang mas maganda pa sa kwarto namin. May sala pa sila. Yung higaan ng aso. Dito sila naghiga. Yan. Sobrang laki po nito. Mga siguro nasa... meron din pala dyan, pwede ka dyan mag-jogging-jogging. Come here. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aso. Come. Ayan yung lumapit. Hi! Yan. Yan. Mga siguro 5 sila na ganito kalit. Hi! Hello! Hello! Katakot na, no? Maapakan ko. Ang cute-cute naman, uy! So cute-cute naman, uy! Wait. Come here. You're scared. Takot. Ang cute niya. So, ito palagi ginagamit ko. Ito puro disinfection. Ayan. Tapos na ako magtrabaho. Uuwi na po ako. Hi! Dog. Doggy. Tingnan niyo. Kano sa akin? Again. Wow! You understand English? You understand English na? Ang laki. Ang malaki. Ayan sila lahat. tayo ngayon sa pangalawa na tinatrabaho.
Mama, do you need a stress ball? Stress ball?
Oh, danke. Warte mal. Okay. Oh, thank you. Ayan, anak. Meron na tayong tomato. Fresh
Fresh
tomato
ball.
from the farm.
Stress ball.
No chemical.
Yeah.
At saka, meron siya ditong, this is all for free, right? Flumart dito. So, marami mga gamit. Hala, this one is like, ano to? For kids. You know,
Mama, come and give it to me.
Yeah.
why? Is that for you lang, guys?
Wir sind vorhin schon eine Runde geritten.
Ah! And maraming mga,
Here.
hala pang, ang tawag ito pang,
Here.
thank you. It's for summer things and a lot, mga pamimigay po itong lahat. Pwede itong dalhin, ilagay sa ating box and padala sa Pilipinas. By supermarket sa box and then versikin na sa Philippines.
Okay, ja.
This is Vinax Bakery. This is a recipe. Okay, love. We go now. Okay, we are hungry. For decoration. Alam, mahal ba siya? €2. It's all for like oyster.
I also want to bring this.
Can we also get everything?
Mhm. Nimm alles mit.
Oh, we can get everything.
Ja.
For toilet? Oder?
Ich denke ja.
Yeah, it's
Mama, I want this one. I want this one, Mama. I want this
I
one.
need one.
Mama, I want this one. Have look.
And this one also included?
Yes. For
So
decoration.
this one. We always get, we're having Emma here, boss. Ah, hala, there's also a shoes. Come here.
I know. I know already,
There's
Mama.
shoes. Sandals. And also turtle.
There's also shoes. Mama, high heel shoes.
Turtle. Oh, what is this?
Mama, high heel shoes this is.
Yeah, high heels. Oh my god. There's also like a phone and fax. Everything here.
Bro,
Let's go.
let's go.
Nine.
Just kidding.
Ja, you don't buy anything. It's all here. So,
Yeah, you have everything here. My goodness. You get it from... Sure.
Trappen.
We bought this last time. We haven't out.
Ja. Gibt's alles hier?
Oh my god! Tatlo pala siya. Oh! 3. Wow, we have a lot of books. Oh my god. This one also. DIY Geschenk. Wow. Und wir können alles nehmen.
Ihr könnt alles nehmen.
Oh my god. But I will only get this. Okay. Slabi Ari. Ano? What is this then?
I don't know.
Oh, nice. This is nice. For your pencil.
Put this in here.
Danke.
Bitteschön.
Can I also here?
It doesn't fit.
Okay. So, yan, nakalabas na tayo sa ating trabaho. Ay, ang swerte ko sa mga work ba kasi palaging may extra. Ito, mayroon tayong tomato, fresh tomato, meron pencil case ni Ariel, laruan. Tapos, kumakuha ko lang lahat. Kung hindi ako mahiya, no? Siguro mag-sneak in ako doon. Yung wala siya, kay mahiya man kasi ako sa amo ko. Kung kukunin lahat. Sabi niya, sumusobra ka na ha? May bayad ka pa. Meron ka pa mga extra, mga fruits, vegetables. Tapos extra pa na mga laruan or mga gamit. Lahat andun. It's nice to share talaga, no? Alam nyo, binigay lang yun ng mga tao na hindi nila kailangan ba? O yung mga nag-transfer. So, kung magta-transfer kayo, tapos hindi nyo alam kung saan nyo ilalagay yung mga gamit nyo, doon lang. Dito yan siya. Pero, hindi siya tumatanggap ng mga damit. Kasi kapag maraming damit, naku, mapupuno yung bahay ng damit. Yung mga ano lang, mga objects, mga ganun. Galing. Kung may kailangan pala ako, doon ako pupunta. Hindi na ako bibili. Hey now, this is the dream. Ayan, after trabaho, na nakasahod agad kay iba man dito kay kapag mga ganyan sa bahay-bahay. Inibigay nila agad yung pera. So ngayon, meron na tayong pambili ng pagkain. And the rest ay save natin ang bayad ng bills, bayad ng renta, tsaka yung ating child support sa aking mga anak na mga lalaki. Kaya dito tayo kakain sa Vietnamese restaurant. Hello!
Hello, guys.
It's time to play with Arya. Now we deserve a good food. Arya got some gyoza and she deserves a good food because she's been a very patient girl and very polite and good girl and not making mama stress. Yeah? Good? It's a garnelen or shrimp. You can put a sauce. With sauce on that, if you like it. Oh! Here we go.
There's also shrimp in here, Mama.
Wait. Yeah, and grabe. Isang bandahira. Yan, and we have po zupa na may sili. Madaming sili. Yan. Tamang-tama sa pagod na katawan. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Hello, blenders! Good morning! Ayan, papunta na tayo ngayon sa work. Nag-Uber na lang tayo kasi late na. At kasama ko ang aking anak. Kasama ko na naman si Arya magtrabaho today. But,
What? The car.
yeah, the car is so dirty. Maraming aso ngayon. So, titignan natin kung ano yung reaction niya mamaya. Very excited to see Arya's reaction later with the... Andyan mo. Wait lang. Tumawag yung Uber at malapit na daw siya. Kaya na pa kami naghintay doon. Tapos ang sabi nandiyan na siya sa kabilang kanto. Ganyan minsan yung Uber, hindi na alam. Here. Come, Arya. Dadala pala ako ng kape kay wala nang time mag-inom sa bahay. Ayan, sa wakas nakasakay na kami. Hindi tayo maliit ngayon. Alam nyo, ngayong araw na to ay ako lang po mag-isa at grabe yung tiwala ng amo ko sa akin dahil binigyan niya ako ng susi sa bahay. So the whole house ay nasa akin for the whole day. Uuwi siya ng late daw ng afternoon. Kaya ako ang gagawa lahat. Especially may mga aso. Like 5 aso. At hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun siya katiwala sa akin na bago pa lang ako na bagong buwan. So, nagtataka ako pero sabi niya may feeling daw siya. Good feeling. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Ciao, thank you. We are here now. They're so cute, right? So cute. Wait. You can sit here, Arya. All good. All is good. It's all good. Oh, don't be scared. Come here, Arya. Come. It's lovely. Take a home. Come. Mama will help you. Yeah? Sit down here. Here. Or there you want? Because they're gonna go out now. We will bring you outside, okay? Who's first? Ruby? Ruby first? Or
I
Olive?
don't know the name.
Do you want to open? so happy that you are here. Wait. I know you. This is Arya, Maisie. Yeah? Arya. Oh, the other dogs also. They also go out. Wait. Yeah. Hey, good morning. Oh, a lot of dogs. Oh, let's go. Oh, can you open the garden? Okay.
Oh my God, they're going out in the door.
Here. Here, come here.
Oh, they're right there. What's next door?
Come here. Where are you? You can go out.
Oh no.
Yeah. I'm
Oh, there's one.
Oh, what? That's scared. Oh, that's
I know.
cute. So cutie. So, Mama will work now, okay? Okay, magtrabaho na po ako. Ay, tapos na tayong magtrabaho. And kawawa naman yung anak ko, napagod siya.
Nächste Haltestelle.
Dito siya sa gilid ko ngayon. Pero ayaw niya akong magpa-video. Kaya ako lang muna. Hi!
Buy clothes.
I like this.
No, I always buy clothes.
Always, it's cold. Ay, lumalamig na po dito kaya kailangan na natin ng jacket. Eh, most ng mga jacket ko ay nasa Berlin. Parang malaki. M kasi ito siya. Pero nice yung color. I love it. Color is nice. Sayang kasi naubusan na ng S. M na lang itong ganito na kulay. Oh. Marami naman ako ng beige kasi. Mas maganda ito, no? So, bili ako ng jacket para sa akin tsaka kay Arya din. Kasi sobrang ano na, lumalamig na dito. Naku, katakot magkasakit. What about this pink? It's also nice. Itong pink, merong size sa akin, may XS. Ito namang isa, wala. Pero try pa rin natin. Uy. Mas maganda ito. Mili din yung bata natin. Ito daw na jacket.
This is much better.
Hmm?
This is much better.
Are you sure?
Cool.
Yeah?
And it's actually so warm.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, then we get that.
Yes. Hello.
Ayan.
I told you, Mom. I told you. That's nice. Mama, do you know why? From this. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait. Can you get it? I take a video.
Yes.
Wow. Akala ko isa lang siya. €3.50 lang.
And I do know why I got no, cause from this.
I thought the other design was like that. Wow, cute. Okay.
But I still need the cover.
O, diba? Ang galing niya magsalita. Napudol. Napudol tayo ni Arya. Meron na naman siya, o, pang zip-zip niya. And she got a new jacket also.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And she's the one who chose this. It's so cool, right? Yan.
Now my water bottle to drink with.
But don't drink yet. It's dirty. Diba?
Look, you know how to open this?
Yeah.
This side?
Yeah.
No, on the other side. Not like this. This.
Okay, give me your bag, please. We can
Chum chum. This one weird.
Diba, ang galing niya mag-business talk. Nakabuto talaga siya. Or, teka lang. So, It's nice jacket. I like it.
This one, for a while.
Uy, nakalabas na tayo. Ayan, nagbudol sa atin, no? Pero, nice naman yung jacket na nipili niya. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute. Ayan, sakay na tayo. Prank them.
See my face in the
OMG.
mirror.
Hala. What happened to your face? Why, it's all black. Ha? We are home. Bahay na kami at merong napakasaya na bata.
Here.
Because nakabili siya ng bagong jacket. Can you open? Ay, don't be like that. Open there. No, no, no. Mm-mm. Yeah. Then, you get, what is this? Hanger. Very good. Shafdo, good job.
Ah,
Oops. Yeah. So, hang mo. You know already how to hang?
I think so.
Yeah, you must learn na because you're a big girl already. You're going to kindergarten.
Yeah.
And almost a...
6.
Yes. And almost a school kid.
Yes.
Yeah, the best. Good. Very good.
Now let's close it.
Oh, okay. It's good. It's better. Very good. So you do that all the time, okay? With your jacket. Hala. Hala. You're still small now, but when you grow up, good. Almost. Hala. You did it! O, diba? It's a successful for her. Meron
So
siya na-
easy for me, step by step.
Yeah, kung may nagawa siya na bagay na siya lang mag-isa. Good job, baby ko. And then close now. Please the door. Close the door. Yan, good. Now we need to relax. Yeah? Oh, very good. And then you wear your... Yes, house shoe. Arrange your shoes, please. Oh, careful. You can take off now your socks if you like.